Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today we're working on several stickers, and the cool thing about this project is that we're not going to do the installation. We're going to send it to the guy. He lives in California, and that's the cool thing about technology, that you can make content and then show the people how to do the installation so they can do it themselves, and that's going to save you a lot of time. And anyway, you can get all the materials from uscutter.com, or you can also get them through the links that are going to be in the description. And if you end up getting something from those links, we're going to get a small commission. We appreciate it. Thank you so much. And the vinyls that we're going to use are going to be the Oracle 651. We have two different sizes. We got the 24-inch and we got the 15-inch. And the tape that we're gonna use is the R-Tape Clear Choice AT75. And the vinyl cutter we have is the Graphtec CE6060. And this is the sticker we're gonna make. And before I send it to the vinyl cutter, I'm just gonna give you a tip. This is what I usually do whenever I have a huge design. I add a rectangle and little lines in between to make it easier to weed out, especially when it's the long decal, like the one we're gonna be cutting today. And just do this. This is pretty simple. That's all you got to do. All right, I'm going to show you a little trick before you send the design to the vinyl cutter, especially when you have one that's kind of big. Make sure you pull the vinyl out to the front, align it just like that, and then lock it and send it to the back. We use the setting 1 right here on the machine. And let's see. All right, it looks perfect. So don't forget to do this step if you have a huge sticker. If you have one that's like 5 inches, you don't really need to do this step. You're about to see why we put a rectangle and the little lines in between. I mean, it's not gonna be a huge difference. It helps a little bit. I think we need to add more cut force to the vinyl cutter. It's not the first time this happens to us. We're used to it. I should have do like a test before sending it, but it's okay. Okay, so it's a lot easier, as you can see, to do like this area first, and then we can do the bottom part, which I'm going to start from left to the right. All right guys, we finally got the decal. Now we're gonna put the tape on top of it, and again we're gonna use the R-Tape Clear Choice AT75. All right guys, thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to give us a like, and if this is the first time, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you, and see you until the next time. Later.